Okay, I have to say it. ARM64 in the data center is actually happening. Not happening in the lab, not happening in a cloud VM somewhere, happening in production at scale in your data center right now. RackN is seeing these servers in the field and we're helping automate them. This is genuinely exciting. The performance per watt story is real. The architecture is mature and NVIDIA isn't just dabbling. They're going all in. The Grace CPU, GPU, and DPU, all the network silicon, all from one vendor, and all of it based on ARM64. This is a generational shift and it's arrived, not just coming anymore. We know this firsthand because Grace nodes are showing up in production data centers right now, provisioning, rebuilding, right alongside x64 gear. Intel, AMD, it doesn't matter. The same pipelines, the same workloads, no special cases. That's not marketing, it's what happened when the hardware arrived and our tooling just worked. When Grace-based servers show up on your loading dock, you might say Dell on the box, or maybe Supermicro, maybe Gigabit, and you're going to plug that in to your standard automation. iDRAC scripts, your firmware tooling, your BIOS management. I'm sorry, but it's going to fail. Not with a helpful error message, it's just going to fail. That's because the box is not what you think it is. It's an NVIDIA reference chassis with an OEM badge. The BMC is not from an OEM. The BIOS is specialized, so none of the vendor-specific tooling that you've spent years building applies. We've seen this up close. Machines arrive with random BMC values, unconfigured network boot, inconsistent initial states across units from the same vendor in the same order. The reason our customers didn't get burned is because we built for architecture agnostic from day one, not just as an afterthought. If you haven't been this careful in building your automation, you're going to find out when the machines boot and start up that you've got a problem. Let me share what we've learned so you understand what it takes to get these servers working. It takes tooling that discovers what a machine is before it actually tries to manage it. It takes processes that validate hardware state before provisioning starts. And automation that doesn't care whether the node is x86 or ARM64, Dell or NVIDIA reference chassis, or whatever came in from your latest shipment. The enterprises that are going to win with Grace are the ones that treat this as a new operational model, not just new chips. The hardware is here and the performance is real, so you can go get it. But make sure that your operational stack is ready before the racks arrive. Because the chips are incredible, the OEM assumptions that you've been running on for 20 years, they're not going to survive the contact with the new infrastructure. I'm excited to see ARM64 in the data center. We've been waiting for this. So let RackN help you close that tooling gap before it becomes the next thing to slow you down.